Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make a sensory bubble tube? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple sensory bubble tube. Okay, what you're going to need is an empty plastic bottle, some Alka-Seltz tablets, water, vegetable oil, food colouring, and finally, a glow stick. Didn't see that coming, did you? This is a cool homemade light show that can be soothing and really fun to do, especially in the summertime. So this is really good for people who have ADHD because it actually allows them to have a calming and relaxing environment. So this is a simple and creative way of doing it. So in your empty bottle, you want to fill this a third full of water. Then once that's a third full, you want a third of your oil in there as well, like so. Then you're going to choose your food colouring and you want a couple of drops in there. So I'm going to choose blue food colouring, and as I say, you only need a couple of drops at best. Oh, more than a couple of drops, but there we go. Then what you're going to do is with your glow stick, you're going to snap it and pop it into your bottle. And then plop it in. It's already cool as it is. And then finally what you want to do is you want to get an Alka-Seltz tablet and you want to crush that and pop that into your bottle. And there we go. It's kind of cool from this angle. I don't think you're getting to see it really cool there. But you've got your nice glow stick, you've got your blue floating up. It looks really cool. And there we are, a cool little glowing, bubbling, interesting mess. If you've liked this video, then obviously don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share. What does your one look like as well? What colour did you go for? Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.